Hey everyone, let me introduce you to the JBL Sense Pro, earbuds made for those who are always on the move. Thanks to the OpenSound technology and minimal sound leakage, you can stay aware of the world while enjoying your music. Let's jump right in. Inside the box, you will find the earbuds, charging case, and quick start guide. Before your first use, pop the earbuds into the charging case. When the LEDs start blinking blue, it means they're ready to pair via Bluetooth. Find JBL Sense Pro on your device's Bluetooth list. Tap to connect and you're good to go. Place the earbud correctly on your ear by looping it around and slightly twisting it backwards for the perfect fit. You can even adjust the earhook shape to match your ear. Super comfy, right? And with the IP54 rating, a little rain won't stop you from going on your walk. The 4 beamforming mics pick up your voice clearly while filtering out background noise like wind or movement. Control your music with just a few taps. 1 tap to play or pause, 2 taps to skip a song, or 3 taps to go back. Want more options? Connect your JBL Sense Pro to the JBL Headphones App. With the app, you can take your sound to the next level. Scan the QR code on your Quick Start guide to download the JBL Headphones app. Activate Spatial Sound. Personalize your sound with Personify 3, customize gestures, call settings, and much more. Your Sense Pro has a combined battery capacity for up to 38 hours. Is your charging case empty? You can charge it by using the USB-C port on the back of the case. Or go wireless if that's more your style. After only 2 hours of charging, they're fully charged and ready to go again. Are your earbuds also empty? Place them in the charging case, and with just 10 minutes of charging, you get up to 4 hours of playtime. Stay aware, stay connected. JBL Sense Pro.